channel that teach and educate you on technology. For more contents like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button so that you will be the first to notify when a new video is released. Just before we jump into the video here, let me know in the comment box below your feelings about this video. Also like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Now let's jump into the video. On your desktop or laptop, come to this network icon. When you hover it, it says not connected, connection are available. Then click on it. From here now you choose your Wi-Fi network. Click on it. Click on connect. You have a password or security key. It will ask you of it. Put your security key. Then click OK. You can see now internet access. Your laptop is now connected to the Wi-Fi network. You can browse now and do anything that you want. You may ask, in case I don't have Wi-Fi network, what should I do? If you don't have a Wi-Fi network, you can also connect it to your phone Wi-Fi. So as we are here now, let me show you how you can quickly do that. Now from your phone, locate the setting menu. Go to more. Then click on Tracking and Portable Hotspot. You click on Set up Wi-Fi Hotspot. Then choose the name. Give the name. Then choose the security. Then choose your password and click Save. That's how you can get hotspot on your phone and connect your laptop to it. Then when you come to this, the network access, you can find the name of your hotspot there and click it again. That is it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Also give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Thank you. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.